Malem Pumbada International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking ki thauram pangthokna bagum drug na lakhatlaba state asidasu laingaki loisang amadi tongan-tongan balupsingna pangthoknari. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2025 ki thauram asi state ki thakta Manipur laingaki Social Welfare Department Sinduna Palace Compound Imphal da leiba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ki auditorium da pangthokhi. Thauram adu da Education ki Secretary Naurem Parbinna haurakliba naha sing mapung oina chahi kuntraga manga fawagi tangkak asi nisha karino khangningba amadi sizinaningba amadi nishana su target tawba chahini chahi kuntraga manga fawwa asida tangkak naina nisha dagi labna lainaba amadi afaba citizen ama oina ba motivation tawba education amadi sports ta mai onchin hannaba nisha gi ipak tagi kannabagi amatangairaba pambai oigani. Haurakliba naha singbu nishagi ipaktagi kannabagi dama Education Department amadi Youth Affairs and Sports Department na laubayaba thaudang sing laubagi tangai fadaba lay haurakliba mahairoi singda tambiriba mahai masing adugi mathakta ahenba wakal loksing fangnaba skill development yauna hakchang fana lainaba sports ki activity kaya hapsin bagi tangai fadaba su lay haiki. Thauramadu da Social Welfare Department ki Director Anna Arambam Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Chairperson Kaisham Pradip Kumar RIMS ki Department of Psychiatry ki Head Oibiramba Dr. R.K. Lelinsu Sarukyaki.
Manipur se khajitang overall India ga sangdan American state mukhi national meeting sama me yaw da Manipur se khajitang tungde lehauri be maramdi we have had certain problem adubo hojik in months to come will develop our this thing activities adugo then school mukhi da will definitely bring visible changes so that overall chhatra mukhi gi school gi atmosphere learning experience yam joyful learning angang mukhi se da fitness particularly physical and mentally both masigi fitness level se must see all the time, must see school and then higher secondary schools. After that, college level, the Siki Mayam see, Tambagi Mong see, Yamna, Haksang Pana, Wakal Nuaina, Tambayana, but then so that youth Makaisida, Moina Darkar of skills and knowledge see, Hazana Pina Honazari.
Jiribam District Administration amadi District Police nasu International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Drug Trafficking ki thauram pangthokre thauram adu District Headquarters ta Wakaton amagaloinana pangthokibani wakaton adu ayupung mapan makai taba matamda Jiribam Police ki SP Sheikh Mohammad Jakirna Irawat Chokta ki lamthakibaga loinana Divongi Int'L Club ground da lamthungpham oiki. Drugs ki polam sing thingbaki mathakta lalonba sing yauna drugs ki scam da chenaba singbu logi matung ina chaba chairak piba ngamlabadi Manipur ki drugs maru phangna muthatpada achauba mateng oigani haina NPP Manipur ki IT and Fortel organization ki General Secretary Laitonjam Jayanandana Phongdorakli International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ki thauramga mari lainana Indian Red Cross Society Manipur na National People's Youth Front ka khusamnaduna RIMS ki Department of Transfusion Medicine da pangthokiba voluntary blood donation da wafamasi phongdokibani Jayanandana makataraduna Drug ta laichuraba sing asi kannabagi damak laingak amadi mari lainaba singna chapchaba thaurang paikhatpagi mathakta laubayaba thaudang sing laubagi tangai fadaba laigani state asida lairiba mipum khudingmak nasu drug ta laichuraba singbu counseling piduna achumba lambida lamjing binaba gi thaudang adu lauminasi haiki thauramadu da NPP Manipur gi luchingba sing National People's Youth Front ke members sing amasung Indian Red Cross Society Manipur ki volunteers sing yauna atay miyoy kayana EPK.
Akoi miyam na su tasengna drug abuse singje masibo koina moisi nuksina yengbiba aduga makoi jongtang pharkna na baga counseling to bokopa domda de rehabilitation gi tawriba sigi leiba miyam cha masigi policy je government na akhanna ba miyeng changba matam oire drug se muthat ke hargadi tasengna drug si nerve singje drug pagi lapthon ba khakdana tana drug ki koi gi business tawriba achau ba khamnai ba singse masi jo koi general ba ko naiba miyam je masi thiduoga mamang leiba drug nung phagi ba case ki leiba miyam cha masi thiduoga phar ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯊꯤꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯦ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯁꯥꯊꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯠꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ